The Tale of Simcheong. 심청전. In a quiet village, there lived a poor blind man named Simcheong and his kind daughter, Simcheong. Though they had little, they shared a deep love. One day, Simcheong heard monks say that offering 300 sacks of rice to Buddha might restore her father's sight.
I will do anything to help father see again.
Unable to afford the offering, Simcheong sold herself to sailors who needed a maiden sacrifice for the sea god. As the ship reached the deep sea, she bravely jumped into the waves.
May this bring light to my father's eyes.
But instead of dying, she was taken to the Dragon King's palace beneath the ocean. The sea shimmered with magic and wonder.
Such courage must be rewarded. You shall live.
The Dragon King sent her back to the human world inside a lotus flower. She floated to the emperor's palace.
Such beauty and grace. Will you be my empress?
Simcheong agreed, and a grand feast was held. She invited blind people from all over the land. Among them was her father. The moment he heard her voice,
Simcheong, my daughter?
Tears filled his eyes, and for the first time, he could see.
I can see you.
Joy returned to their lives. Simcheong was reunited with her father, and they lived in love and light ever after. The end.
In a quiet village there lived a man, a poor blind man with a gentle hand. Beside him stood his daughter dear. Simcheong's love was strong and clear. One day monks came to the town, and Simcheong heard without a frown, if 300 sacks of rice could be, her father's eyes might finally see. I will do anything to help father see again. They had no gold, they had no price, so she sold herself as sacrifice. The sailors needed a maiden fair to please the sea god in ocean air. As the ship reached deep and blue, she jumped with courage strong and true. May this bring light to my father's eyes. But she did not sink or fall. She entered a palace with coral wall. The Dragon King beneath the tide welcomed her with honor and pride. Such courage must be rewarded. You shall live. He sent her back in a lotus bloom. It floated gently with sweet perfume. The empress saw her and was amazed by Simcheong's heart so pure and brave. Such beauty and grace, will you be my empress? She became a queen with robes so white and invited the blind from far and wide. Among the guests was one who knew a voice, a sound, a memory true. His eyes shed tears, the room turned bright. His world once dark was filled with light. I can see you. They hugged with joy, hearts full of cheer, together forever, year by year.